Okay, this is a basic video on how to access Facebook Live. It's real easy. Up the top left, you see a little button that says Live. Pop that one. And then you have me. And you want to start by pushing Start Live Video. You do that. Now I'm live. And I could probably, like I said, one friend of mine just a minute ago was talking to me. You can tag your friends or share with a group. You can draw it, you can lip sync, whatever you'd like to do. Enhance. I'm not sure what I want. Let's see what that does. Nothing. I like to enhance myself in some way. Here we go. See, you can add filters, always fun. And that's it. So Barry Dodge is watching. So I'm trying to finish this up, see what happens, and this is part of the tutorial. Now, once you've recorded what you wanted to do, you can post it public. You can keep it for 24 hours. You can post it on your timeline, or you can upload it to your hard drive. Just push save. You save it. There you go. Save to your camera roll. You can delete it. You can share it. So if I wanted to share it, which I've already got things clipped, there it is. It's now live 4 minutes ago, and it's on my thing. So I can play
Now
it.
I'm live,
Can't hear anything, but
and
that
I
was
could
because I didn't
probably,
want anything.
like I said, one friend of mine just a minute ago was talking to me. You can
stop it. And that's all there is to going live.